Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a brownie trifle cup. So first off, I'm going to start with some brownies that I baked. You can either buy some from the store from my kiosk located in Kuumba Coffee, downtown Douglasville, or you can make your own. Either or, all's good. But you're just going to cut them up or you can crunch them up. Either or. I really just wanted to cut it because I thought it'd be like more put together in the unput together way, you know? So now I'm going to put this in a bowl. Alright, now that that's all done, we're going to cut up this candy that I forgot the name of, but I will have it down in the description. I've heard from my mother that these candies are perfect for trifle cups. I've never made one until now, and as you can see, I am kind of struggling to cut it because I've never had this candy, so I didn't know that it was filled with caramel like that, but it is very good. You could put Ferrero Rocher, Twix, any other. Kit Kat would probably be very good too. So now I'm taking the chocolate pudding and I'm going to put it at the bottom of the bowl, the cup. You could also substitute chocolate pudding with vanilla pudding or whatever other flavor you desire. Now we're going to put a layer of brownie. And the fun thing about this cup is you don't have to follow my lead, okay? You can put this in whatever order that you like. You could take out things, you can add things in. I'm adding caramel. Let me know if you say caramel or caramel, and I'll decide if you need to be blocked or not. Now we're doing the whipped cream in the middle or the bottom, wherever you put it. Some more brownies. Chocolate pudding. Chocolate. That reminds me, guys, my dad says chocolate like this. If he's watching it, Dad, do say chocolate like this. Chocolate. He's from Chicago. I don't know if it's a Chicago thing, but he be hard on them CHs. So now I'm adding more caramel on top of the candy and the brownie. And I'm doing like that Starbucks thing where you see the caramel drizzle on the side of the cup because I felt fancy. Can you tell? Now some more pudding. Now guys, you don't have to fill up the cup as tall as I did. When I was eating this, which I devoured, I was supposed to give it to my family member to try, but I devoured. You don't have to put it in this big of a cup because it's pretty big. Now I topped it off with some whipped cream. And I'm gonna garnish it like they do at fancy restaurants. And this is the finished product. I highly suggest it as dessert for sleepovers. I'm sure that would be fun to make at sleepovers, cookouts. If you're babysitting some children and you need to keep them, busy, really for any occasion. And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me know if you tried it down below. Bye.